How to learn Forex trading so fast? It feels illegal. Throughout my 9 years of trading, I have been obsessed with figuring out the fastest and easiest possible way to learn and trade the Forex market. And after a lot of trading results, mentoring hundreds of students, and psychological research from highly esteemed books around the world, I stumbled upon a mistake that guarantees every trader almost a 100% failure rate on ever becoming a successful trader. This is a mistake that most traders make every single day, and I call this mistake strategy overload. And this is one of the most important things every trader must know about if you want to learn trading fast. But first we have to understand the real key concepts, often overlooked by many traders, that will allow us to learn Forex trading fast. These concepts are so powerful, but very simple, with the ability to transform any trader into a profitable trader in less than 2 weeks. Yes, you heard that right, 2 weeks. And they are divided into 3 segments. First, we have the absorption phase, the execution phase, and the management phase. But before we get into the absorption phase, do well to like this video to help other traders find this video and learn Forex trading fast, and subscribe to our channel if you are new here. So my Trybe soldiers, let's get deeper into this video. The absorption phase. I like to use a carpenter for example. So let's imagine you want to learn how to become a carpenter on your first day at work. You don't start drilling the woods, hammering the nails, and all of that. On your first day at work, the first thing you do is that you begin to observe. You try to absorb the environment, understand the work, know the name of the tools, and what they are used for. They are different types of woods, so you want to also know them by name, and sometimes also from the tree that they are carved from. These are the stuffs that you can't do without. And if you don't absorb them from the beginning, you are still going to return back to it at some point in the future, thereby making your learning process very slow. It is the same with Forex trading. If you want to learn Forex trading very fast, you must take your time to absorb the beginner concepts of Forex trading. But the problem with a lot of traders is that they are mostly absorbing the wrong things in the beginning and not placing their focus on the right things. You remember, how you lay your bed is how you lie. The first thing to do in the absorption phase is to first of all understand everything that is happening in and around the market, and for that, I have made videos that will guide you through. Go check out our beginner videos, and here is what many traders do that really slows their growth in the market. They pay so much attention to the fundamental part of the market, such as the news, economic factors, and the rest. If you want to learn Forex trading fast, you must focus more on technical analysis. Any impact the news will make will only follow the information displayed by technical analysis. By the time you begin to read the chart like a pro, you will understand exactly what I am talking about. The fastest way to learn Forex trading is to understand and absorb technical analysis, learn high profitable trading strategies, and technical psychology for a very fast growth. And we have them all on this channel. Take your time to go through them, one by one. The second phase is the execution phase. This is the stage where traders make this mistake of failure, called the strategy overload. The strategy overload is the act of trading way to many strategies in the market. This particular mistake really slows the growth of traders. It makes a trader almost useless in the market. If I should ask you personally, how many trading strategies you have used in the past 12 months, I am very certain that it will be more than 3 to 5 strategies. And this is why you are not learning trading fast or making profits from the market. But it is not your fault, and you are not alone on this one. A lot of traders, and even some of the ones you call pro traders, are still looking for new strategies every day in order to make money from the market. But here is the trading truth. If you really want to learn trading fast during the execution phase, because the execution phase is the point where you begin to implement everything that you have absorbed in the absorption phase, and there are 2 ways to do it. Number one is that you have to learn a lot of different strategies and backtest them individually, at least for an extended period of time. And after that, you are going to find a particular strategy that works better than the rest. And that is the strategy that you will focus on and abandon the rest. The trick is that when you are trading with one strategy, you know there is this mindset that's always come into your mind to make you feel like you can trade with more additional strategies and be able to make more profits from the market and take advantage of the bigger price movements on the chart. But that is a trap that will always slow down your process and make you repeat a circle of doom year after year. But if you want to control that and learn faster from the market, you should focus on only one trading strategy, of which the setup can be found a lot of times on the chart. Yes, they are strategies that their setups can be found once in a blue moon on the chart. Meanwhile, there are other strategies of which their setups can be found almost every day on the chart. I will always advise you go for the one that you can find almost every day on the chart to help your patience game and make you not to overtrade or give in to FOMO because of lack of trading setups. This will give you a faster boost in the market and make you a faster profitable trader. One of the best ways to get the best trading strategy in the market is to learn from a trader with high level of experience in the market. This will help you not only to learn Forex trading faster, but it will entirely shorten your journey of struggles. The last phase is the management phase. This phase is very important as it pertains to your money. I will give you a game that many traders will never give to you on YouTube right now, and this will help you on the long run and help you to manage your finances in a way that you've never expected. If you've been following everything that I've been teaching you, the concepts that you have been progressively learning, and you start to apply it on your chart, you will begin to see how crazy it works in the market. And a lot of people will begin to wonder how you got to know all this information. Now, after absorbing the market and learning the strategies and executing them, the next thing you want to learn is how to manage your money, as money is involved in all of this. And if you don't know how to manage your money, there is no way that you can be able to progress in the market. Have you ever traded a market where you placed your stop loss somewhere here? Let's take this chart for an example. So you placed your stop loss somewhere here, and the market came down with so much volatility, took out your stop loss, and still yet made you to lose more money in the market. So your stop loss was placed initially to stop you from losing more money in the market, but it was still not able to save you from the extra losses that the market gave to you. Now let's imagine your initial loss was intended to be $200, but after the market moved below your stop loss, it now became $250. That's an extra $50 loss that you never planned to lose to the market. Now, imagine that this money-draining scenario happens to you on 5 trades. Calculating those extra $50 that the market took without your permission, that will be $250 extra loss on 5 trades. So you lost a whole $250 to the market, as though you gave the money to charity. To some people, that money may not be much, but think of when it happens to you on a bigger scale. Let's say we're talking about $2,500 here. That will actually hit you in a bigger way. And this happens a lot of times on the chart, every single day. But what if I told you that this can be avoided, and you will only be able to lose exactly what you plan to lose on a bad trade? Now this will be simple, and this trick is simple. So each time you are about to take a trade, and you know exactly how much you want to risk for your trade, let's say the $200 that we talked about earlier, what we do is that we transfer all the money from our trading balance into our broker balance, and we leave only the $200 in the trading balance. So we can trade only with that $200, and we will not be having a need for a stop loss anymore. So if the market goes against us, it will take only the $200 in our trading balance and no longer take anything more than that. So in this way, we will be saving ourselves from the extra $50 that the market will take from us without our permission and making more money in the long run. Now, So far in this video, I have taught you the 3 stages that you can use to learn Forex trading very fast, manage your trades, and save yourself a lot of money in the market. And I hope you all found value in this, as much as I wanted to impact in you. Tell me your thoughts in the comments section, and share this video to as many traders as you can. In this video, I will be teaching you on one of my best trading strategy in the market. Shows up multiple times in a week and guaranteed for high profits. See you there, my Trybe soldiers.